So let us talk about one unique feature of powerdirector, which is very good in my opinion, which I use personally very much in many of my work, is the stabilizer. KineMaster does not have a video stabilizing effect. KineMaster offers a stabilizing app which you need to install differently, independently of KineMaster, and then you can use that stabilized footage inside KineMaster to edit later on. So this is not what I would like to use. Stabilization on the powerdirector app is very good. I have tried many times. It does a very good work. It's similar to warp stabilizer that is available on Adobe Premiere Pro. It does the same thing on your mobile, so it's pretty awesome feature. You can get your footage stabilized even if you do not have a gimbal, right? And these days modern phones also come with optical image stabilization, or if not optical image stabilization, there may be some kind of an electronic image stabilization inbuilt in your mobile phone. But even with those stabilization, you may need some kind of software stabilization in the editing part. PowerDirector stabilization works wonders. It works pretty well. I have tried on many footages. It does a very good job, and I think if you try it, you will also be satisfied with the result that it provides using the mobile phone only. There is one more tool in PowerDirector which I really appreciate. There is something called the noise removal app, the noise removal tool. If you have PowerDirector, if you select a layer of video or a layer of audio, you can select that audio layer or the video layer to edit the audio using the audio tool app. There is an audio tool in PowerDirector where you can have different options. There is one specific option called denoise. It can be found under the audio tools menu in PowerDirector during editing. So it does a pretty decent job of removing the background noise of your audio. If you do not have a control environment for your recordings, there are ambient noise or there are noise in your audio, you can do it using the PowerDirector's noise removal tool available inside the audio tools. So you can easily remove noise to a certain level. It is not 100% okay. If you use Adobe Audition or Audacity, they will do much better job. But for a mobile phone, for a mobile video editing setup where you do everything using your mobile phone, this PowerDirector can provide you a very good feature with this audio noise removal feature. So it can help you a lot during your editing of your audio. And the best part about PowerDirector, why I'm pitching for PowerDirector, is that recently they have added support for stock videos and footages from Shutterstock. So you get, apart from PowerDirector's very good editing capabilities, you also get the Shutterstock library free of cost. Shutterstock has a pretty good library to get started with. It may not be as good as Epidemic Sound or Artlist for getting music, but the stock footages like videos and pictures, etc., are well worth it. So you get Shutterstock library with PowerDirector subscription. So you need to get the premium subscription. The PowerDirector free does not allow you to have this stock features. Or not only Shutterstock, it also allows you to get footage and videos and pictures from what you call iStock. iStock and Shutterstock both are available free of cost with a PowerDirector premium subscription. Even though they are subscription based, I really recommend PowerDirector and KineMaster.